Do you want more time? If you do, you need to watch this video. Get your time back. I'm a mom of 2 teens, a wife. I have 2 businesses that I'm passionate about. And for fun, I have a small Instagram account about fashion. But I'm not superhuman. I have just found a system that works. I have a system that keeps my house organized and clutter-free so I can pursue all the things that I am passionate about. A system you can do quickly and every day to free up your time. Do these 4 simple tasks and I'll give you a bonus tip at the end. Vacuum high traffic areas every day keeps your home looking clean and tidy. Do at least 1 load of laundry every day. It keeps laundry from piling up. Wipe down kitchen countertops. Helps keep it clean and clutter-free. Clear clutter around the house before going to bed. It always feels good to wake up to a tidy home. It will help start your day right. Now for my bonus tip. Take action. Don't hesitate. If something needs to be cleaned or picked up or put away, just do it. Don't hesitate. The time it takes you to think about doing it is probably the same amount of time it takes to actually do the task. These are 4 simple tasks you can do every day that will help you save time. I have moved countless times over the years, living in many different types of homes. I have worked on perfecting my system from my single days to being married to now a busy family of 4. I know doing these 4 tasks every day has helped me keep my home clutter-free and clean, and has allowed me time to pursue my other passions. Now we can all agree. You feel frustrated when all your things are all over the place and you can't find anything. If you kept your home organized and cleaned, it would save you time and you could get things done faster. It is important to keep your home neat and tidy so you can feel happy and relaxed. Yes? Doing cleaning and decluttering tasks every day helps you by making your cleaning efficient, improving morning productivity, avoiding accumulated work, and it reduces stress. It allows you to enjoy a clean and organized living space, making your daily routines smoother and more time effective. More information on our blog about how to keep an organized home using the flow method, link in the description box, or you can watch this video here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy content like this. Until our next video, happy organizing!